Want live GED help right here on YouTube? Then you're in the right place. Hi, this is Parker from Desperate Champions teaching you how to pass the GED fast. You can get started by clicking subscribe down below. Tomorrow I'm doing another live stream here to offer live GED help, so make sure you stop by. I'm kicking it off at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. That's Friday, September 6th. Make sure you stop by, ask me questions live. I will address them live, and I have some topics that I've already been getting requests to talk about, like slope and simple interest, and more tips for the RLA and some GED tips for beginners as well. So make sure you stop by. It's going to be a great time. I'm looking forward to it. That's tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on YouTube. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Oh, and one more thing. If you're not sure if you can make it tomorrow, or you know you can't make it tomorrow and you got questions, go ahead and drop them down below in the comments, and I just might answer them tomorrow and you'll have them on the replay. Tomorrow's going to be awesome. One more time, that's 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, September 6th. Make sure you're there, and if you can't make it, put your comments down below. It's going to be a great time.